Good morning, children. Welcome to math class. Today we will start the math plus. So, open your book and start writing. So, children, today we will start math plus assignment 1 in page number 1. So, take out your math plus book. Let's start. Join the dots and make squares, rectangles and triangles of any size. So, triangle. How many dots? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides are equal. So, draw it like this, then this, then this. Then, square. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All sides are equal. 3 dots, 3 dots, 3 dots, 3 dots. Come to the rectangle. Means 1, 2. 1, 2. Opposite sides are equal. Here is a 2. Here is a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. So, draw it 2, 2, 4, 4. Then square, then triangle. Like this, you draw it. Next, use the dot grid given below to draw your own design. You draw your own design and shapes. See here, many designs and shape is here. So, you will also draw it whatever you want. Your own design. You draw it in this, in page number 1. So, come to the next page. Assignment 2. Write the date at the top 17, 20. So, a star. First of all, children, you draw triangle. Then this. It's become star. So, I think you all draw it in your book. See here how you draw it. First of all, triangle, then this opposite triangle and triangle. It's star. So, you all in this. And house. First this, then go straight, then go straight, then this, like this, like this, like this. You draw house, flower and color it. So, come to the second one. Using the dotted line, divide each picture, if possible, into 2 similar halves. So, see here, 2 similar halves. So, tick this similar half. ये भी आधा हो जाएगा, इसको भी आधा हो जाएगा. Like this. No, no. Half, half, similar half, similar half, similar half, similar half. Incisor, similar half. No, yes, no, yes. So like this, you complete your this. See in B. Okay, it's like this. So, half this and half this. When you join this, it's become this. So, similar half Like this, you complete your assignment 2. So children, come to the assignment 3. Fun with numbers. So in 4, 2, 3, you all know 400, 2 tens and 3 ones. 400, 2 tens and 3 ones. Suppose children, if you write here 400, so it's wrong. So you have to write only 4 here. 400 is already here. So 2 tens and 3 ones. Write the number which comes just before 190. 190. Here is the rough work. You have to do rough work here. 190. When you subtract 1, you get what? 981. So 189. How many tens? 20. Then short form 765. Encircle the smallest number. Which one is the smallest? 146. 320, 420 and 520. So when you add 50 in 320, what you get? 370. What you get? 370. And when you add 420 with 50, what you get? 470. And in 520, you add 50, what you get? 570. So do rough work here. Encircle the greater 555. Then 850, then 9. 500, 1 tens, 4 ones, what you write here? 514. 100 less than 999. See here, 999. 100 less than means 899. It's come 899. Say the greatest 3-digit number is, tell me, 999. And what is here? 900. So it is wrong. No. The number for 948. 948. Then the difference between the greatest 3-digit number. Tell me, the greatest 3-digit number is 999 and the smallest 3-digit number is 100. So subtract it. 998. What you get? 899. A century 100 and half century 50. So 100 plus 50, 150. The number exactly 77, 97. What you get? 87. So children, complete this in assignment 3. Then come to the assignment 4. 1 more than 129 is, when you add 1 with 129, what you get? 130. 1 less than 191, 190. 3, 4, 8. It is 430 plus 8. The number corresponding to 922. 922. So the smallest number in this 203. Write the smallest 3-digit number 100. Backward counting 70, 160, 150, 140. The number which comes just after greatest 2-digit number. Greatest 2-digit number is 99. and after plus 1 what you get? 100. What you get? 100. So here is 100. The numbers between 499 and 505. So write down 500, 501, 502, 503 and 504. Encircle the greatest number. 222. 521 means 500. 2 tens, 1 ones. How many tens are there? 14. There are 6 tens in 60. 10 more than 150? 160. 150, you add 10. What you get? 160. So count tens. 720 means 730, 740, 750, 760. You add 10 in 720, add 10, you get 730. Add 10, you get 740. Add 10, 750, 760 and 770. So children, like this you complete your assignment 4. So homework is do assignment 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your Math Plus book. Thank you.